Hello everyone. I just found a stupidly easy way to use ChatGPT to make money online from anywhere in the world without spending a single dollar. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out more. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our exciting content. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into a unique blend of AI technology and affiliate marketing that can help you earn money online. Imagine having a list of the best products to sell in various niches, all generated for you by AI. Now, imagine having images of these products generated for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can provide you with the 20 best niches to sell products such as camping, sports, fishing, travel, and so on. Once it generates these niches, you can ask it to give you the best 15 products to sell within each of these niches. Next, we have Midjourney and Blue Willow, AI tools that allow you to turn text prompts into actual images. All you need to do is enter the name of the product and request extreme details and ultra-realistic images. In a matter of seconds, you'll have high-quality, copyright-free images of your products. But how do we monetize this? Here's the secret: affiliate marketing. For example, you can create your own store on kit.co without actually having any products yourself. You can create a kit for specific niches, add the products recommended by ChatGPT, and earn a commission for every purchase made through your store. But that's not all. You can also create engaging videos using canva.com. Simply upload the images generated by Midjourney or Blue Willow, create a fast-paced GIF or MP4 video, and add a catchy headline. Once your video is ready, post it on Pinterest with a link to your kit.co store. With the amount of traffic on Pinterest, the potential for earning is enormous. So, there you have it, folks. A unique blend of AI technology and affiliate marketing that can help you earn money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. You can learn anything from social media marketing all the way to drop servicing, drop shipping, YouTube automation, and more. Until next time, keep hustling.